faulty or inappropriate tools and fixtures that cause defects in parts, and here are some of the recommended best practices strategies to reduce this cause of scrap. Regularly inspect and maintain tools and fixtures. Ensure tools are designed for optimal part handling and accuracy. Work closely with the design team to ensure compatibility. Preventing defects from faulty tools and fixtures implementation guide will be explained next. The first recommended best practice is to regularly inspect and maintain tools and fixtures. Establishing a maintenance schedule is key to this. Implement preventive maintenance plans for all tools and fixtures. Conduct routine inspections to check for wear, misalignment, or damage. Use predictive maintenance techniques, such as vibration analysis and thermal imaging. Training and compliance is critical for success. Train operators on proper tool handling and maintenance procedures. Maintain a digital tracking system for scheduled maintenance and repairs. Establish a tool calibration program to ensure accuracy. The second best practice strategy is to ensure tools are designed for optimal part handling and accuracy. Optimizing tool and fixture design is critical for success. Use ergonomic designs to improve ease of use and reduce errors. Incorporate quick change tooling systems to minimize downtime. Utilize precision machining and high-quality materials for durability and accuracy. Testing and validation must also be in place. Conduct trial runs with new tools to verify accuracy before full-scale use. Implement feedback loops from operators to refine tool designs. Use real-time measurement systems to ensure consistent performance. The third best practice strategy is to work closely with the design team to ensure compatibility. Cross-functional collaboration is key to its success. Involve manufacturing engineers in the tool and fixture design phase. Conduct design reviews to align tools with production requirements. Use simulation software to test tool performance before implementation. Continuous improvement is required throughout the process. Gather operator feedback on tool effectiveness and challenges. Implement design modifications based on production feedback. Foster a culture of continuous improvement with regular reviews. The suggested best practices can only be effective when it is implemented, managed, and controlled. Please have a look at the next causes for scrap generation in the following videos. You may also like, subscribe, and send us a comment if you would want to add value to the channel or become part of the OPIX Coach ecosystem.